Okay. I know you completely fell in love with LSM trees last time, Mia. But today, I am introducing you to the absolute, undisputed king of databases, the B tree.
The king from 1970. Are you showing your age again, Leo? Or is this actually relevant today?
Hey. I age like fine wine. And so does the B tree. It was invented over 50 years ago. And it is still the standard index implementation in almost every single relational database on Earth. Let's dive into how it actually works.
Alright. Vintage boy. Impress me. How is this any different from the SS tables we just learned about?
Well, LSM trees write data in massive, unpredictable segments that can be megabytes in size. B trees are much more precise. They break the entire database down into tiny, fixed size blocks, usually exactly 4 kilobytes each.
Let me guess. Because that exactly matches the physical sectors on a magnetic hard drive.
Exactly. It reads and writes exactly one page at a time. It's pure, efficient hardware alignment.
Oh. A man who knows his hardware physics. That is surprisingly attractive. Keep going.
Let's look at the tree structure. Ha. Focus. Mia. Look at the diagram. Because each 4 kilobyte page is a distinct physical block on the disk, it gets a unique address. This allows one page to point to another page.
Ah. Like a memory pointer in C++. But it physically lives on the hard drive.
Exactly. We use these disk pointers to build a massive, upside-down tree. You start at the very top, which we call the root page. The root page contains a bunch of keys and references to its child pages. So, how do we find data?
Okay. I think I get it. So, if I want to find user ID 251, I start at the root page. The keys inside act as boundary markers. Right. Like. Everything between 200 and 300 is down this specific pointer.
You catch on fast. You follow that pointer to the child page. There. You see a new, smaller boundary for 250 to 270. And you follow that pointer all the way down. The pages at the very bottom are called leaf pages. And they contain the actual user data. It's incredibly fast, deeply reliable, and it has been ruling the software world for 50 years. Just like me.
Okay. Don't push your luck. But I have to admit, your B tree is pretty impressive.